God's country. Come with me, I'll take you out here. Wait, you're already with me. Let's all imagine together. Dream. I know you can't see it. It's hidden up there in the mountain by the cloud. I want to show you, this is my spot. One of them. And this is where I say a prayer to the universe, God, for not only giving me another chance at life, but to be able to heat everybody's homes. 2025, that is over. 2026 is the new beginning. Thank you, Lord, for the money. Thank you, Lord, for the homes that I heat. Thank you for the abundance. Lord, thank you for my health. Thank you for all the homes that I get to heat are part of my tribe. Everyone that burns the firewood is part of my tribe, whether I ever meet you or not. I am very grateful for the flow of abundance that I bring to your life. God bless you all, 2026.